Sight words. Time and numbers. Read the words every day. Practice spelling the words. At. From. To. Over. Time. What. Children. The. Goes. Listen to the words and repeat. Repeat every day. Homework. Write the words and bring them to school. Again, the words are at, from, to, over, time, what, children, the, goes.